Hello guys, and welcome back to a new episode. So today I'm going to teach you how to create keyframes in DaVinci Resolve. Now mind you, this can get very complicated, but today I'm just going to run you through like the simplest way to do it, and we can advance in the future. So let's go. Alright guys, so before we enter into the video, let me kind of explain to you what keyframes are and how they work. So keyframes are markers or points that you can assign to a particular video or more, and you can assign an effect to. So let's take for instance, if I want to add an effect to this particular video, but I don't want it to affect the entire video, maybe probably a certain portion of the video, what I can do is I can set up a keyframe over here and set another one at the end, and whatever I'm going to do is going to affect just the beginning portion and the end portion of the markers that I have created. So without wasting much time, let's go in and let's try out this particular effect. Alright, so I'm going to use this video, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of crop this particular video and move it to this particular corner we see over here, so so that you can reveal maybe a particular video underneath. So what we are going to do is I'm going to move this one up because I'm going to place another video under this particular one. So let's try and bring in this one. Let me see if this one is fine. Let me see what this video is even about. Okay, it doesn't look bad, so I can have that one underneath it and maybe probably crop this portion out so we can have these two videos starting and beginning at the same time. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this keyframe to the first video. So what I'll do first is click on the video. So when I click on the video, I'm going to come here. As you can see, these markers or points that you see here, these are what we use to assign keyframes to a particular video. So with this effect, I'm going to select the effect that I'm going to use to create this effect. So with this one, we are going to use the zoom, the position, and the crop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select these markers or points that I see here, these box like things you see over here, and I'm going to select the entire crop effect. You can select individually, but I think selecting all is appropriate here. So what I'm going to do is after I've selected this, these are going to create markers as where I have placed my line on the timeline. And what I can do is I can move this forward maybe to this portion. This is where I want my keyframes to end. So what I'm going to do is I'm now going to apply the effect that I want to see. So what I'm going to do first is let's try and crop first. So when I shift this, as you can see, this crops out the video at the top. Let me do the right side also, crop it this way, and I think this is fine. So I'm going to apply in my scale to try and scale it down a little bit. Yeah, so I think this is fine, and I'm going to reposition this. So I'm going to put this here, and the y-axis I'm going to move it here. Now when I play the video, you are going to see that whatever I've done has applied to the point that the markers that I've created. So playing the video now. So guys, this is the bare minimum of how to create keyframes in DaVinci Resolve. And in my future videos, I'm going to teach you how to apply these keyframes to your videos, to certain effects in the videos. So I hope this video helped. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bells so you don't miss my future videos. I'm out.